This month in our product review we've been looking at gardening gloves, and as you can see we've got a good selection here. Today obviously we've got Steve, and we've got our guest today is Theo from Lincoln University.
Honorary gardener.
So we're just going to have a look at a few of them and try some on. Quite a good selection. We've got some Gauntlet ones from Greenhouse Sensation. Offer a lot of protection at the upper arm.
Yeah, I've used those before. Even pruning gooseberries, they've been good.
Yeah.
Gooseberries are lethal, aren't they?
And some all-round gardening gloves, waterproof with quite good grip from Urias. And Steve, have you got one that you particularly liked?
Yeah, well, I like several of these, but I always like these ones from Showa because they're nice and lightweight, but they're good fit. And this time of year, when we're sort of still in the winter and it's a bit chilly, I sort of wear gardening gloves most of the time really, and these keep your hands a good grip, but they keep your hands quite dry as well. Yeah. So you know, when you're pruning and that sort of thing, and weeding or whatever, and everything's wet. Yeah, they're quite good, and you can get a good grip with them, so you can do even sort of fiddly jobs with them.
Now Theo, would you like to try these on? Yeah. These are some pruning gloves from Wolf Garden.
Very bright.
What is pruning exactly?
Well, when you've got bushes, well, it's basically cutting especially prickly bushes, things like that. Oh, okay. You know, if you've got roses or gooseberry bushes.
Yeah, so you cut all the dead bits off, and
and if you
good protection.
So they've got a lot of padding around there, and there as well.
Actually, it's a feature of several of the gloves we've got here now, isn't it, with the padding?
Yeah.
Good protection on these.
Yeah. Good protection, and these ones, which are from Urias as well, are really good for protecting your hands. Got lots of padding on the palm, and you've also got this extra protection on the back, so it really will protect your hands from thorns, and also they're good general gardening gloves. So if you're digging, you know, you're not going to get the calluses on the palms that you might otherwise with thinner gloves. So if you're looking for some really heavy duty, solid, very comfortable actually gardening gloves, try these.